Dude, this 6 pieces wedge pillow has so many ways, actually about 15 or 16 ways that you can reorganize everything and just have a really nice recovery. Or if you were pregnant before and you just had a kid or something like that, this is gonna be really good. It's also really good for other situations like working from home or just like watching TV. And you can use it both in your couch, like in your sofa or your bed. This time I had to put this one right here because it's a new mattress that we are kind of like I want to say like we're trying this new mattress. So I figured I want to try this one right here, and I gotta say it feels so good. This brand sent it to me for this video. I've been trying it, I've been playing with it, but I don't know if I'm gonna be able to actually stand up because it's super comfy. Okay, but jokes aside, it is really comfy. And whether if it is for something that you need to be comfortable with or if you need to recover from a post-op or something like that, this one can do every trick you need. So it comes right here with all the configurations and the instruction manual. You're not gonna need this, trust me, you're not gonna need this for sure. But something really cool is that about the storage, they actually included 2 vacuum bags that you can, let's say that you don't wanna use this one, for example, and you wanna store it, you can actually use the vacuum bags and use the vacuum and then suck up all the air and just get this really nice bags for putting in the storage. With that being said, I will tell you that these ones are supposed to get in shape as soon as you get them out of the box and the bags in about like 12 to 24 hours. I will leave them for 48 hours, because there were 2 pieces, actually there's 2 pieces that took more than the other ones. So it's actually due 48 hours as soon as you put it out of the bag, and you're gonna notice that it's gonna be so much better. And then you can use this piece over here as the main support if you don't have a headboard or like a wall or something like that. This one is gonna be your main support, the one that is gonna get the most of the weight. And this one is gonna be the one for your back, and you can see how nice this memory foam is. It is really firm, but also like fluffy and cushioned, and it has a really nice breathable fabric as well as rubber pads, and each one of these pieces are going to have rubber silicone pads, so it won't move easily. So you're going to put this one right here, and just to give you one example, just one example, but you have about 15 or 16 ways of putting this one. And then this one can be like a pillow, and it comes with velcros on the side. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna put it kind of like right here on the side, use the velcros, and then you have a really nice pillow. And this one, for example, can be for your legs, for the back of your legs, or it can be for one arm. So let's put it right here. And this one can be either for, again, your legs, or I'm going to show you a trick. So I'm going to put this one on the side and use this one for the legs. This is just one configuration, as I was just telling you before. So what you can do is you're going to see this right away. I'm going to get right here, and it's supporting my weight. As you can see, it's supporting my whole weight. And this is going to be right here for my legs, and this right here for my arm. But let's say that I want to put this one for my legs. I can do it because it has the shape, or I can actually do this. Now I have a place for me to work while I'm just like recovering. This is for the laptop, so you can actually put the laptop in here and work, or you can actually have food in here as well, or many other things. But I have to say, this thing, it is really, really cool. Really well made with the 2 vacuum bags. I'm getting sleepy already. It has so many configurations for the post-op, or just like making sure that you have a really nice recovery. But more than anything, it's really comfortable. And the fact that you can configure multiple scenarios is actually even better. I like it. Really good. I hope it helped you on your recovery.